Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the PDF in an editor that supports page rearrangement. You need thumbnails visible. Once done, make a quick duplicate and work on the copy so you can revert. You will select the page thumbnail pane and click to grab a page. The reason is simple: visual positioning avoids mistakes. Now drag one or multiple pages to the new position, or use the move or insert commands when dragging isn't available. This gets you into the active editing mode, ready for larger changes. You now perform the core actions: reorder, insert, and delete. To reorder, drag thumbnails, hold Shift to select ranges, and Control or CMD to select multiple non-adjacent pages. This speeds large rearrangements. To insert, choose Insert from File and navigate to the source PDF, because importing preserves formatting, then place the pages where needed. To delete, select Thumbnails and press Delete, or use the context menu. Make sure to review surrounding pages to maintain logical flow and pagination continuity. You finish by updating page numbers, bookmarks, and the table of contents if present. This keeps navigation accurate for readers. Once satisfied, choose Save As or Export to create a finalized, optimized PDF. This reduces file size and locks in the new order. If something goes wrong, pages won't move, or changes don't stick, check file permissions and try another editor or reopen your saved copy, because broken edits often come from read-only files or app limitations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.